And we're back. Now, this is a do as I say and not as I did moment for you. Because right here is when she realized, ooh, she fucked up. Stay in your lane or you gonna mess around and give yourself a hemorrhoid. Ask me how I know. I mean, she's not even breathing. Please know that the 20 pounds are in the closet where they will live until I either get some more strength or some more sense. 10 pounds on the triceps because she knew better at this point. Back to 20 pounds for the lunges. Both sides. And this is my baseline. This is where I'm starting. I could use all the encouragement, tips, cheers that you all can muster as I am claiming my body goals into fruition over the next 12 weeks. I don't know what you're claiming, but please walk alongside me, subscribe, like, share, so we can work together.